Hello, welcome to another video brought to you by Gumball Machine Warehouse. Today we want to show you different sizes and versions of our antique style gumball machines. These are the perfect machines for home use as they double as a bank and save coins in them. These machines will accept any coins up to the size of a US quarter. Now, going from the left to the right, we have the 15-inch king size. That machine comes in silver and red. Next to that, we have the 12-inch junior size. That also comes in red and silver. Next to that is the junior size transparent gumball machine in plastic. That comes in pink, blue, green, purple, yellow, and a clear version. And finally at the end, we have the 9-inch size Petite machine. There you have our complete lineup of antique style gumball machines. Thank you for watching. You can visit us anytime at www.gumball-machine.com. That's www.gumball-machine.com.